Catalan cream. Good morning. First of all, I would like to tell you about the origin of this tradition and who was its creator. Catalan cream, also known burnt cream, in Catalan cuisine consists of custard base, egg yolk, fine sugar, lemon peel, cinnamon stick, starch, and fresh milk. It's usually covered with a layer of caramelized sugar on its surface to provide a crunchy contrast. Not only is it particularly eaten on St. Josep'S Day, March 19, but it is also consumed throughout the year. Until recently, it was considered as a party dessert. The story tells two versions. On the one hand, as a legend, it comes from a visit the bishop made in 18th century to a convent of Catalan nuns. Before such event, the nuns decided to make a pudding as a dessert, but it became too liquid. After having given different touches to recover its texture, they finally covered its surface with burnt sugar. When the bishop began to eat the pudding, the sugar was still very hot, so the bishop, who was a little ready and could not wait for the spoon to cool, said, "Collons cream," that in Catalan means it's burning, hence the origin of its name cream. On the other hand, according to a more serious and reliable study, the English identity, cream of the Trinity, began in the 19th century at the Trinity College in Cambridge. The French identity, crème brûlée, appeared in the 17th century from the hand of the chef François Massielot. However, the Catalan cream was known much earlier, according to the well-written medieval books on Saint-Sauvy, 14th century, and Book Cock, 16th century. Therefore, its origin is a bit confusing because it's also known that custard already exists in the Roman Republic many centuries before Christ. In any case, it's one of the oldest desserts in Europe. And finally, the truth is that we are always enjoying our typical San Josep cream at all times. Very suitable dessert for family parties and especially recommended for celebrations of the English classes of 5B2 rules. Thank you very much for your attention and please enjoy it. Joseph.